Is CapCut PC Optical Flow not working when you try slow motion? In this video, I'll show you the exact fixes to make smooth slow motion work again in CapCut PC. First, import your video into the CapCut timeline so we can start editing. Now click on the menu option. Go to More, then click on Version. After that, click Check for updates. If an update is available, update CapCut to the latest version. Once the update is done, select your video clip. Now checkmark Optical Flow. Wait for the process to complete fully before moving to the next step. Next, click on Speed. Reduce the video speed as you want. Now checkmark Smooth Slow Motion and click Apply. After that, click on Frame Blending. Select Optical Flow from the options. Again, wait for the process to complete. Now play the video, and you'll see smooth slow motion working perfectly. That's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut fixes.